Good morning, everybody. This is Ms. Richardson. This is for my 6th grade accelerated students for September 21st through 25th. I hope everyone had a wonderful weekend and you are ready to get going with some math. So you do have your first test, actually tomorrow. So let's look at some things you'll be doing this week. So as always, go under the What Do I Do This Week module to get started. This week is September 21st through 25th. Excuse me. All right, it says, hi everyone, this week's assignments. So for, if you notice the 21st isn't on here, and that's because we're going to Zoom today. So on Monday, we're gonna Zoom at, let's see, 1 o'clock in order to review for our test tomorrow. So that's why you don't see the 21st on here, because we're Zooming. And then tomorrow, Tuesday the 22nd, we will be taking 2 parts of your test. You have to do both parts, and the test is only going to be active tomorrow only. So you've got to do your test tomorrow, okay? No cheating. Then for the rest of the week, we're starting a new unit. So we're going to look at ratios, rates, and proportional reasoning. So on Wednesday, you guys need to take your pre-test. Easy peasy, it doesn't hurt you in the grade book. Do your best though. And then on Thursday, you are going to do a lesson on understanding ratios. Here's your formative assessment. And then Friday, you're looking at unit rate. Here you will be able to find your video, which is I'm making right now, so it's not there obviously. And then at the bottom of the page, it says this week we will Zoom on Monday. I did put that we'll Zoom on Friday, only if we need to. By Friday, you will only have 2 new lessons or 2 new sections to look at. So I don't know, we'll see. If you guys kind of reach out to me, if you want to have the Zoom meeting on Friday, we can decide later in the week. But as of right now, I'm not so sure if we're going to have it. So we'll just see how that goes. Okay, guys. All right. So it's a pretty simple, straightforward week. I don't really think we need to talk about anything specifically under the modules. You're just doing the pre-test. Do your best. Taking the test. Taking the test Tuesday. Here's your test, part 1 and 2. Taking your pre-test. Oh wait, I'm on the wrong little section. But still, taking the test on Tuesday. And then we're getting going on, oh my gosh, I'm lost on this page, you guys. That's why I don't publish everything for you guys. It can get a little overwhelming. Here it is. Oh my goodness, I even had it dated. So here's your pre-test for Wednesday. Thursday's assignment, understanding ratios, and Friday is unit rate. So let's just look at understanding ratios for just a second. Understanding a ratio, there's your lesson objectives. Of course, I skipped the top, but are you allowed to skip? No, you're not allowed to skip anything because you'll be losing part of your instruction. All right, here we go. So then we're going to go to page 2. We're going to read it. We're comparing hot dogs and buns. It looks like you are reading. It gives you a rule. It gives you some things down here to interact with. You have some example problems. It shows you the 3 different ways to write a colon. You can use the word to. You can use, oh, that's next. 8 to 6 or 6 to 8. Is a ratio. Fractions, even though these look like fractions, if it's a ratio, you still say 8 to 6 or 6 to 8. And then finally the word to. So these are all said the same, 8 to 6 or 6 to 8. Then you're going to do some practice problems. Check your work, of course. So this looks very straightforward. You are going through everything, you're reading everything, you're doing every practice problem, you're watching every video. Okay? All right, so it looks like a pretty easy week after you guys finish your test. So if you need anything from me at all, just reach out to me. Let me know what's going on. And then we'll decide later in the week if we want to Zoom on Friday. All right, guys, I hope everyone has a great week, and I will see you on Monday today at 10 o'clock. Bring paper and pencil, please.